Hello everyone. We are going to quickly start our session on DNB OSCE 2023. So these are the latest ones that came this year. Then what is the reason of electrolyte imbalance in this patient? Like chronic renal failure causes what? So that your potassium levels start rising.
Metabolic
How does
acidosis.
it contribute? Very good. So one is metabolic acidosis. So what happens in metabolic acidosis? What happens in metabolic acidosis? There is affection. The sodium potassium pump that we have at our cellular level is affected. Okay, so the sodium potassium pump is used to take the potassium inside and throw the sodium out or move the sodium out. But this starts dysfunctioning, and as a result of this, you will see that all the potassium tends to leak out, thus increasing the serum potassium levels.